After the run has been scheduled, the estimate sections will populate with start and end estimates based on the print time of each part. Actuals will show how long the run took and inform future machine learning estimates with greater accuracy. Same goes for material estimates. Each property of the run can be modified as long as status is not in progress. Runs can be batched with others to optimize build plate efficiency. To enable a run to include new parts in the future, check off the locked value. Data persistence is key in the Authentise MES, and this is especially important for traceability. The MES automatically assembles the run's resources to enable immediate access at any time. In the same way, the Prints tab will give you all you need to obtain historical data of the prints in your run. You can access the print summary page, download its updated traveler, and glance at the next step in production. Stay tuned for upcoming videos detailing Authentise's MES features.